Determine which ones are finite and which ones are infinite set. Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to discuss about finite and infinite sets. Let's start. Number 6. Y such that y element of n and y square less than 100 and less than y cube. So for this math, is it finite or infinite? Let's check. First, n is an integer, so it means we can write this one. N is a natural number, sorry, not integer, n is a natural number, so we can write this 1 2 3. Number 6, y such that y element of n, it means natural number, and y square less than 100 and less than y cube. It's a finite series, but this one we need to check. Let's checking. So n equals to 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot. So y is a element of n, so once y equals to 1, then y square equals to 1 square, it means 1, and which is less than 100, right? Which is less than 100. So this condition is okay, and y cube equals to 1 cube, it's an 1, and it's also less than 100, so not fulfilled, not acceptable, not acceptable, or just we can write not. Condition. Okay, or we can write, so less than 100, it means it's not okay. Why not okay? Because y cube should be greater than 100, right? But here is 1 is less than 100. Similar, once y equals to 2, then y square equals to 2 square, it means 4, which is less than 100, it's okay, and y cube equals to 2 cube. 2 cube means what? 2 cube means 8 less than 100, so this is also not okay. Y equals to 3, then y square equals to 3 square, it means 9 is a less than 100, and y cube, it means 3 cube, it's a 27, it's a less than 100, not okay. We have to find out the result, which is once y should less than 100, y square should less than 100, and y cube what? Greater than 100. So y equals to 4, so y square 4 square 16 less than 100, and y cube 4 cube 64 less than 100, not okay. Then we can cut this one, no need this. Now y equals to 5, here is y square 5 square 25 less than 100, it's okay, and y cube 5 cube, and here 125, which is greater than 100, and this condition is okay, because here y cube greater than 100 and y square less than 100, right? Now look, 6, so y square 6 square 36 less than 100, y cube 6 cube. So 6 cube is 216, which is 100, greater than 100. It's also okay. Y to the power 7. So y square, 7 square, 49, 100, and y cube, 7 cube, which is 343, greater than 100. It's okay. Now y 8, y square, 8 square, 64, less than 100, and y cube, 8 cube, 8 cube means 512, which is greater than 100. It's also okay. Y to the power 9, y square, 9 square, 81, 100, y cube, 9 cube, 9 cube means 729, which is greater than 100. Its condition also okay. And finally y equals to 10, y square, 10 square is 100, which is equals to 100, and y cube, 10 cube, it will be 1000, which is greater than 100, and it's not okay, because our condition y square should be what? Less than 100. But once we get y equals to 10, that time y cube condition is okay, but y square condition is not okay, because y square means 10 square, 10 square equals to 100, 100 equals to 100, but we need less than 100. Therefore finally we get the result, which is y equals to the set of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So we can count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here element is n equals to 5. So we can say this is a finite series. Now look, initially we already wrote 6y such that y element of n and y square less than 100 and less than y cube. It's a finite series because we can count the number, which is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So thank you very much being with me. This is very important math for examination, also any kinds of competitive exam, and should these kinds of math are come in entrance exam. Keep practice at home more and more. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.